Hello students, welcome to Sitaramayya's tutorials. In this video, let's start Polity MCQs. The first question is, what was the duration in the making of Indian Constitution? Option A, 1 year, 10 months and 12 days. B, 2 years, 10 months and 85 days. Option C, 2 year, 11 months and 18 days. Option D, 3 years, 6 months and 7 days. So the correct answer is option C. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days in the making of the constitution. Option C is the correct answer. Second question, which one of the following gave the idea of Constituent Assembly for India? Option A, Simon Commission. B, Rajaji Formula. C, Cabinet Mission Plan, and D, Wavell Plan. So the correct answer is option C, Cabinet Mission Plan. Third question, Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 by the option A, Constituent Assembly, B, Parliament of India, C, President of India, and D, British Parliament. The correct answer is option C, President of India. Fourth question, when did the Indian Constituent Assembly meet for the first time? Option A, 26 Jan 1950, B, 15th August 1947, C, 9th December 1946, and D, 19th November 1949. The correct answer is on option C. On 9th December 1946, Indian Constituent Assembly met for the first time. Fifth question, the Constitution of India was completed by which of the following dates? Options are A, Jan 26, 1950, B, November 26, 1949, C, Feb 11, 1948, D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, November 26, 1949. Sixth question, the proposal for framing the Constitution of India by an elected commission, Constituent Assembly was made by. Options are A, Simon Commission, B, Government of India Act 1935, C, Cripps Mission, and D, British Cabinet Delegation. So the correct answer is option D, British Cabinet Delegation made a proposal for framing the Constitution of India by elected Constituent Assembly. Seventh question, who of the following has stated that the Constitution has not been set in a right mold of federalism? Options are D.D. Basu, B, K.M. Munshi, C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D, A.K. Iyer. So the correct answer is option D, A.K. Iyer. Eighth question, who of the following moved the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly? The options are A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and D, Dr. C.D. Deshmukh. The correct answer is option B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Ninth question, the number of members included in the Constitution Drafting Committee was. Options are A, 7, B, 9, C, 11, D, 13. The correct answer is 7. Option A is the correct answer. 10th question, draft of the Indian Constitution was prepared by. Options are A, Sir B.N. Rao, Advisor of the Constituent Assembly, B, Sir Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Chairman of Constitution Draft Committee, C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Union Law Minister. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister. So the correct answer is option A, Sir Bengal Narsingh Rao, who was the advisor of the Constituent Assembly. Option A is the correct answer. 11th question, consider the following statements regarding the composition of Constituent Assembly. The first statement is the representatives were to be elected from the 4 constituents, that is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christian. Second statement, the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Third question, the total strength of the Constituent Assembly was 389. Fourth statement is the drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar consisted of 8 members. So here the correct answer. So here the options are given. So we have to choose whichever is the correct one. So only option C is the correct answer because only third statement is correct. So the total strength of Constituent Assembly was 389. Next, 12th question, match the following. So Constituent Assembly committees are given and chairman is given. So here The chairman of steering committee is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Fundamental Rights Subcommittee is J.B. Kriplani. Union Constitution Committee is Jawaharlal Nehru. Provincial Constitution Committee is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. The chairman of steering committee is Rajendra Prasad. Chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee is J.B. Kriplani. Chairman of Union Constitution Committee is Jawaharlal Nehru. Chairman of Provincial Constitution Committee is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 13th question, consider the following statements. First statement is Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was elected as the provisional president of the Constituent Assembly. Second statement, H.C. Mukherjee was elected as the vice president of the Constituent Assembly. So here options are given. So option C is the correct answer. Both these statements are correct. 14th question, consider the following about judicial system introduction by the British in India. First statement is the judicially unified India. It is judicially unified India. Second statement is the British established a system of law through the process of enactment and relevant interpretation of customary laws. Third statement is, in general, the British tended to avoid the customary laws of India. So here the statements are, first and second statements are correct. Option A is the correct answer. 15th question, which of the following statements about the formation of the Constituent Assembly is or are correct? First statement is the members of the Constituent Assembly were chosen on the basis of provincial elections in 1946. Second statement is the Constituent Assembly did not include representations of the princely states. Third statement is the discussions within the Constituent Assembly were not influenced by opinions expressed by the public. Fourth statement is, in order to create a sense of collective participation, submissions were solicited from the public. So here the correct answer is only the statements 1 and 4 statements are correct. So option D is the correct answer. 16th question, the Constituent Assembly of India convened to prepare the Constitution of India, appointed a subcommittee headed by Gopinath Bordolai. So which of the recommendations were made by the committee? So first statement is 5th schedule of the Northeast Frontier, tribal and excluded areas. Second statement is constitution of district councils in all autonomous districts of Assam. Third statement is 6th schedule for the Northeast Frontiers, tribal and excluded areas. Fourth statement is demarcation of territories in Northeast India. So here we have to choose the correct answers. So as per the committee recommendations, only fourth statement is correct. Okay, only option D is the correct answer. 17th question, match the following is given. So here they gave the person and role in making of the Constitution of India. So here Rajendra Prasad is the chairman of Constituent Assembly. Second is T.T. Krishnamachari. T.T. Krishnamachari is the member of drafting committee. H.C. Mukherjee is the vice chairman of Constituent Assembly, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chairman of drafting committee. So it is 2, 1, 4, 3. Option A is the correct answer. 18th question, the draft constitution as framed only provides a machinery for the government of the country. It is not a contrivance to install any particular party in power, as has been done in some countries. Who should be in power is left to be determined by the people, as it is must be if the system is to satisfy the test of democracy. The above passage from the Constituent Assembly debates is attributed to. So options are given: Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, D. Acharya J.B. Kriplani. So here The correct answer is option B. It is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 19th question, who among the following was not a member of drafting committee of the Constitution of India? Options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. K.M. Munshi, C. Krishnaswamy Iyer, D. M.K. Gandhi. It is option D. M.K. Gandhi is not a member of drafting committee. 20th question, consider the following statements about the preamble of the Constitution and state which of the following are correct with the help of the given quotes. First statement is the objective resolution proposed by Pandit Nehru ultimately became preamble. Second statement, it is not just justiciable in nature. Third statement, it cannot be amended. Fourth statement, it cannot override the specific provisions of the Constitution. So here the correct answer is option B. Only 1, 2 and 4 statements are correct, and the preamble has amended, okay, as per 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, preamble has been amended. So third statement is wrong. Only option B is the correct answer. 21st question, the preamble of Indian Constitution adopted on 26 November 1949 did not include the terms. First statement is socialist, second is secular, third integrity, fourth republic. So the original preamble do not contain the word socialist, secular and integrity. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. And under 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, these were added. 22nd question, who among the following were the members of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option A, Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, D. Sardar Patel. So the correct answer is option C, Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. 23rd question, the idea of preamble has been borrowed in the Constitution from the Constitution of. Options are given: Italy, Canada, USA and France. So here in these options, option D, USA is the correct answer. 24th question, the parliamentary form of government was first to introduce in which country? Option A, Great Britain, UK, B, Belgium, C, France and D, Switzerland. The correct answer is France. Option C is the correct answer.